Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Nintendo Switch capture card to a Mac using OBS easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have all necessary equipment ready. You will need your Nintendo Switch, capture card, Mac computer, and a USB-C cable. Start by connecting the Nintendo Switch dock to a power source. Insert your Nintendo Switch into the dock to ensure it's charging. Next, connect your capture card to the dock using an HDMI cable. Plug the HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on the dock and the HDMI in port on the capture card. Connect your capture card to your Mac using a USB cable. Once connected, turn on your Mac and wait for it to recognize the capture card. Now, download and install OBS Studio from the official OBS website if you haven't done so already. Open OBS Studio once the installation is complete. In OBS, look for the Sources panel at the bottom of the window. Click the plus icon in the Sources panel to add a new source. Select Video Capture Device from the drop-down menu. A new window will open prompting you to create a new source. Name the source as you prefer and click OK. In the next window, you'll see a drop-down menu for the devices. Select your capture card from this menu. Adjust the settings as needed, such as resolution and frame rate. Click OK to confirm your settings and close the window. You should now see the Nintendo Switch output in the OBS preview window. To start recording or streaming, click Start Recording or Start Streaming on the right side of the OBS interface. You are now all set to capture your gameplay. Make sure to check the audio levels to ensure they are balanced. Adjust any settings in OBS as necessary to enhance your streaming experience. When you're finished, click Stop Recording or Stop Streaming to end your session. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Nintendo Switch capture card to your Mac using OBS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.